So we're gonna make carbonara with cream cheese as our base, and these are our ingredients. We're gonna use healthy noodles. This is sugar-free, fat-free, gluten-free, cholesterol-free, dairy-free, and I bought this in Costco. 25 calories. Have onions and mushrooms, and also we're gonna use table cream. So this is the Nestle cream, table cream that we're gonna use, and this is we ordered pizza last night, and Pizza Hut gave us a garlic sauce, which is very nice, and I think I can use for the pasta. Here's our bacon and onions. So we will cook our bacon first so that we can get the grease from our bacon so that we can use that to saute our onions. Oh, and also we're gonna use Parmesan cheese to add in our sauce. So we add the bacon grease on a separate pan so that we can start sauteing our onions. This is our healthy noodles, cream cheese, carbonara. Hi, so we're done cooking our carbonara.
Leftover pizza.
And then our leftover pizza, and we have chicken nuggets inside the oven baking.
This is social distancing.
And it's George waiting for the food while playing his game. That's Nas resting, waiting for the food.
And there's the bibe outside. Oh, they're up there, by the side.
Where? The dogs outside. They're waiting for the sun, probably, which is not coming today, I think. Here's our lunch. Oh, it's a video. We have our carbonara.
My leftover potato with bacon and bread.
Yeah. And chicken nuggets and our leftover pizza. So this is for brunch with Mama, Ness, George, and me.